The next question is, are there any tips for wash day routines for people who've just started to transition? Yeah, I have a couple tips. First of all, again with what I said earlier, you're gonna want to treat your new dual texture of hair completely different to how you treated your pre-transitioned hair. So that's the first thing to bear in mind when you are dealing with wash day whilst you're transitioning. Because when I had relaxed hair, for instance, I was able to just wash all my hair at once. Just my whole head of hair, I'd shampoo and condition, and yeah, that's how I'd do it. Whereas when I was transitioning, I learned that it was best for me to deal with my hair in sections. A lot of the things that I'm about to say regarding wash day for transitioning hair is exactly the same thing that I'd say for when your hair is natural, because you're gonna have to start putting into place healthy hair practices as you mean for them to go on, and one of those things is sectioning it before you wash it. So I would use clips. Clips are a definite thing that you might want to invest in. They really helped me. They still help me now on wash day, because washing your hair in sections just means that you're able to pay closer attention to your hair and care for it more gently. So yes, wash day tip is putting it in section. I just part my hair down the middle and from ear to ear and work with it in 4 sections. And this allows you to just be a bit more gentler regarding the care of each section, and especially where that point where your hair meets, where the 2 textures meet, the natural hair and the pre-transitioned hair, it allows you to be more gentle when it comes to addressing those parts as well. Because on wash day is when you may come across more tangles and you're having to deal with them. You wouldn't want for those tangles to just end in breakage because of poor care, poorly treating the hair. If you're also not in the habit of doing so, get your deep conditioners out. Like, you're gonna want to deep condition your hair and strengthen it. So protein treatments. This is something that as you begin to take more and more care of your natural hair, as it begins to grow out and you grow out the pre-transitioned hair, you're going to want to get into the practice of doing protein treatments and deep conditioning treatments. And the more you learn your hair, the more easy it will be to determine which your hair needs. But at the beginning, on the wash day, I get into the habit of doing a protein treatment or a deep conditioning, just alternating between it, because one's going to strengthen the hair and one is going to really nourish and feed the hair, keep it soft and healthy.